Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can block ads on Google Chrome. So let's just start. I'll remove my right now what I have, and right now I will go on YouTube, for example, right? So I will write here, I don't know, this here, and the ad is going to play, right? So let's say that I want to block all ads. What you need to do is just write in Google uBlock origin extension, and just click here in Chrome Web Store. Then just add to Chrome. Yes, add extension. And voila, here we got it. So right now I can see it. uBlock origin. And now when I'm going to again search for this and I'm going to click it, as you can see, I got no ads at all. So this is how you can simply block ads. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.